Yep, this girl said, we're gonna find stuff today.
Yes.
And we're gonna use, that was loud,
That was so
the
loud.
spare change. Now, we have a little added bonus because we sold a little bouncer on Marketplace. It's not a whole lot, okay? This is like 20 bucks, okay? There's a 5 in there. But we have all this change, so we're at Walmart. We're gonna see how much we can do with our like extra money spare change thrift challenge. Dun 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 dun. 98 cents.
Let's see. Ooh. Look at that. $18.
Plus the other money we have. And it didn't take one of the dollar coins. So we technically have $40.
Hello.
Good morning.
How are y'all? Fine. How are you? Fine. Hello.
Oh, excuse me.
Fine. I'm just looking like you.
Oh, minion. Mickey. Oh, the tongue is so cool. Yeah.
What size this is? It look like it might be a 2X.
How's it looking for you, dude?
I don't know. I feel like I've been grabbing random stuff.
Well, I'm only grabbing these in case I need a t-shirt deal,
Okay.
but not old.
Hollywood Tower.
Yeah, the Disney ride. But look what your boy got. Look what your boy got. Look what your boy got.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. 25.
Going up and up.
Huh?
Going up and up. Like this skirt.
Yeah.
I was like, it just kind of has that Y2K look.
The or the other look at all, like not prairie, but like just a long skirt.
I mean, yeah, a little bit.
I didn't even show you the shoes.
These, I only picked up, I'm trying to figure out if they're Christopher Radko.
Oh yeah.
But the tops say well, this one says China. This one says a Merry Christmas, like AMIRI,
one
like
says
America.
China.
These two say a Merry Christmas, but they don't say. I don't know if Christopher Radko ornaments say Radko. Like I
We
don't
just have
think
to look
they
them
do.
up.
So I was gonna.
Did find one pair.
Pretty worn, but that's
A little
okay.
worn. Oh.
So much for these kids.
Yeah. A Toy Story. Yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. My boys like to play with the one I have at home.
much was it? 6. Okay. Thank you.
Now look good. You guys enjoy. Good to see you. Yeah.
It works.
It worked?
Yep.
Let me see how it works.
Well, you can just see that it. Yeah.
Oh, they put real money in it.
Yeah. That's what I said. I'm gonna.
That's cool. How
It's
much
gonna.
was
It's gonna end up taking my money.
it? How much was it?
$8.
There you go.
No. I'll have some fun with it. Every once in a while, you can hit the jackpot, dear.
Quite literally. That's fun.
Yeah, we should get. Doesn't have the red light on top.
Oh, okay. It doesn't look like it was ever missing.
No, it wasn't. It's just a little fun novelty one.
That's cool.
Probably minimum $100.
Yeah, for only $8.
$8. That looks cool. I don't know what I use it for. Oh, it looks like it went on something. Oh, that's cool.
On the Fruit of the Loom best.
1990.
USA.
Whatever it is that you've done, he put that punishment on his son.
Oh yeah, that thing's nice. Oh yeah.
Get a little
Yeah.
clean into it.
Oh yeah. People love those things. But yeah, here you go, man. And yeah, that's what I said.
Appreciate it. I'll-
Kevin's a good dude, so yeah, check us out. Good running into you.
Yeah.
What was your name again?
Scott.
Scott? Yeah, Josh.
If you ever need a windshield, let me know.
All right, man.
Affordable glass.
Appreciate it. All right, they just brought out another cart, but I'm running low on footage. But definitely had to show these. Comps are looking at 100 to 150. Yeah, this is why we do this. I can't believe it.
Exact change today.
Yeah, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39. That's $1 coin for you.
Okay, it's 40, 80, 85.
Yeah, it's $1 coin.
Oh, okay.
And then there's 85 cents.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So what we do is we turn our change in
Uh-huh.
and it comes to the thrift store. So this is after the Coinstar machine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I was like, we used our spare change
Mm-hmm.
and it came out exactly, well, sorry, I got 3 more pennies.
Almost exactly. Look at that.
Awesome. There you go.
All right,
Have a good one.
thank you. Yeah, $40.85.
Look at that.
And yes, barely spending over $40, we're looking to make about $400, showing that no matter what your money looks like, you can still go in there, shop for yourself, or go in there and make more money. So no matter what, you can be a reseller, you can make some money. So if your money's low, you can turn it into a high amount. So picking up those few things, I had the lucky touch, hitting the jackpot on some of that stuff. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You're helping the channel grow. We love you, and I'll see you in the next video.